Tiger. A tiger is a big and strong animal that lives in the jungle. Do you know that tigers hunt mostly at night? Elephant. Elephants have big ears and short tails. Do you know elephants can drink water with their trunks? Monkey. Monkeys are very playful. They can grab trees with their hands and swing around. What would you do if you could play with monkeys? Dolphin. Dolphins are very smart animals that live in the sea. They can jump next to boats. Do you want to swim like a dolphin? Swan. Swans are birds with big, white wings. They usually swim in lakes. Can you say why swans are so beautiful? Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they are great swimmers. Did you know penguins live in the South Pole? Squirrel. Squirrels are very quick and can jump from one tree to another. Do squirrels collect a lot of nuts? Goat. Goats are animals that live in mountains and dry areas. They eat grass. Can you explain why goats live better in mountains? Peacock. Peacocks have colorful and beautiful feathers that look like an umbrella when they open them. Do you want to see a peacock's feathers? Crocodile. Crocodiles are large, strong animals that live in water. They can swim very fast. Do you know crocodiles can hold their breath for a long time? Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds that can fly very fast. Bat. Bats are animals that come out at night and fly in the dark. They use their ears to find food. Did you know that bats can eat a lot of bugs in one night? Camel. Camels are animals that can live in hot and dry places. They store water in their humps. Can you explain why camels can survive without water for a long time? Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks and legs. They use their long necks to eat leaves from tall trees. What do you think giraffes do with their long necks? Snake. Snakes are animals without legs. They move by slithering on the ground. Do you think snakes can jump? Bear. Bears are big animals that live in forests. They are very good at swimming and catching fish. Can you tell me why bears hibernate in winter? Walrus. Walruses have big tusks and live in cold areas. They can swim in the icy water. How do you think walruses keep warm in the cold? Shrimp. Shrimps are small sea creatures that swim in the ocean. They have long tails and can move quickly. What do you think shrimps eat in the ocean? Fox. Foxes are very clever animals that live in forests. They like to hide and sneak around. Do you think foxes make good pets? Donkey. Donkeys are animals that are very strong and can carry heavy loads. They are also very patient. Why do you think donkeys are so helpful? Leopard. Leopards are fast and can climb trees. They have beautiful spots on their fur. Do you know why leopards are good at hunting? Octopus. Octopuses are sea animals with 8 legs. They can change the color of their skin. Do you know that octopuses can hide in small spaces? Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They live in grasslands and travel in groups. Can you guess why zebras have stripes? Owl. Owls are birds that come out at night. They can turn their heads very far. Why do you think owls can see so well in the dark? Starfish. Starfish live in the ocean. They have 5 arms and can regenerate if one gets lost. How do you think starfish can grow back their arms? Koala. Koalas are cute animals that live in trees. They eat leaves from eucalyptus trees. Why do you think koalas sleep so much during the day? Fish. Fish are animals that live in water. They have fins to help them swim. Do you think fish can feel pain? Duck. Ducks are birds that live near water. They can swim and fly. Can you explain why ducks have webbed feet? Lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle because they are strong and fierce. They live in groups called prides. Why do you think lions work together in groups? Buffalo. Buffaloes are big animals that live in the wild. They have horns and are strong. Why do buffaloes move in herds? Pigeon. Pigeons are birds that can fly long distances. They are often seen in cities. Can you guess why pigeons like to stay in groups? Horse. Horses are strong and fast animals. They are used for riding and working. Do you know why horses like to run so fast? Rabbit. Rabbits are small animals that like to hop around. They have big ears and like to eat grass. What do you think rabbits do to stay safe? Shark. Sharks are large fish that live in the ocean. They are very good at hunting. Do you think sharks are dangerous animals? Tortoise. Tortoises are slow-moving animals that live on land. They have hard shells to protect them. Why do you think tortoises carry their homes on their backs? Coral. Corals are sea creatures that form beautiful underwater reefs. They are very small but live in big groups. How do you think corals help fish in the ocean?